Hello you guys and welcome back to my channel. It has been quite some time that I haven't picked up the camera and do one of these talking videos, but I have been quite busy also with my work and also doing tutorials for you, so I thought now is the right time to pick up the camera and to show you what actually I have crocheted and knitted for this 6 months. It is already beginning of July over here, and where the time go? It feels like I was just here talking to you about plans for this year, crochet and knitting, and 6 months are gone. I do want to show you the project in the chronological time, which means the ones that I did first, I'm going to show it to you first, and then with the latest project that I crocheted for you. So I am going to start with the vest that I crocheted at the beginning of this year. That was an amazing project. I wore those vests for a lot of times, and I saw that the tutorial was also welcomed from you on my channel, so I am very happy with this project. Yeah, so here is the first vest that I did, and this vest is in this amazing green color, a little bit dark, and I crocheted this vest as a vlog here on my channel. I wanted to crochet this vest in one day and I actually made it in 25 hours. So yeah, that was the first project I think for this year. So I am very happy with this vest. So once I did this vest in this color, I just couldn't wait and jumped to film the tutorial for you because I was really excited to give you the pattern for this vest. And then I crocheted this other one in this mint color. I don't know how you will, pistachio color, sorry, this is pistachio. And yeah, I am also very happy with the result, and I have been wearing this vest a lot. It is in my color scheme, it looks pretty on me. So yeah, that was the second project that I did for this year, which I am very happy about. I do want to show you another item that probably you haven't never seen, because I was working into this project behind the scenes and I never showed it to you, because my plan is that I am going to dye this project. So the project is a knitted sweater. So this is the project, and is this merino mixed with, I don't know, I'm going to put it somewhere over here. I did this pattern myself, and this is a knitted sweater, very simple. I just took some sizes, throw there some simple calculations, and I made myself a sweater. The problem is that when I bought this yarn, I had no idea too much about what colors were suiting me. So that's why I just got this yarn, because this color is very beautiful, I find it. It's just that it's not my color. So anyway, I am planning not to throw away this yarn for sure. So that's why I thought I am going to dye in navy blue, since navy blue is one of my colors and it suits me very well. So I used this yarn. The only thing is that I am going to dye it in navy blue, and I thought maybe I am also going to show you a little bit the process. If you are interested, you can let me know and I can show you the whole process, and yeah, I can tell you how did it go. So this was my second project, or the third one? The third one if you take it after the second sweater vest. Okay, so next one, it is a jacket. I had this Chanel jacket forever in my head, and I wanted to crochet one, and they were very fashion, and that's what I did. Here you can see my amazing jacket, and I have been wearing this jacket a lot. And to tell you the truth, I have been lucky with this jacket because it has been not really summer over here in Germany. It has been mostly springy, we can say, so it is good to always throw over a jacket or a sweater. So I have been using this jacket all the time. It's perfect with jeans, it's perfect with white pants, with black pants, and yeah, it's navy, so I have been using this jacket quite a lot. And of course, the shape and the pattern of this jacket is so timeless. And I think that I am going to do this jacket again in black color, because I do need a black jacket and a Chanel black jacket. And yeah, I am planning to film a tutorial for you. So you can just drop in the comments down below if you are interested in this jacket. So yeah, that was project number 4. And now, my darlings, let's move on a little bit to one of my expertises, I will say. I love bags. Probably you know by now. The first handbag that I did for this summer was this big granny square bag, and you can see that I have this bag loved so much, and this pattern turned out so pretty and so beautiful. I am very proud of this pattern. I did a tutorial for that, so you can go and check the tutorial if you are interested on crocheting this bag. And I have been using it when I'm going out with friends, and I had also a couple of friends who asked me to crochet for them this pattern, and they are very happy with the results. So this was project number 5, and let me move on to project number 6. So here we are, project number 6. You probably, if you are following me for some time and you follow my vlogs and my tutorials, you probably know that this handbag is a duplicate, a reproduction of a YSL bag that I loved so much, and I have filmed the whole vlog on how I made it, how I made this pattern, how I started, and the whole vlog. You can find the vlog in my channel if you are interested to see that. And of course, it turned out very pretty. The next project that I did, actually, it is the tutorial of this pattern. Unfortunately, I don't have the handbag because I gave it as a gift to a friend of mine. But that was project number 7, because I filmed that handbag is the same pattern as the black one, as this one, just that it was in beige color. And yeah, it turned out so pretty, so beautiful. A lot of people loved it, a lot of my friends. So I did give it away as a gift, and I am very happy because the person who took that gift appreciates it a lot and used it a lot. So I am very happy to make a friend of mine happy. So yeah, that was the next pattern that I have crocheted for these 6 months. The next one are these very little crochet small projects that I did, and this one is for taking my earphones and my charger. So I have also the tutorial for this little thing in my channel. I thought you can use it for your leftover yarn because it takes really very little, and I have been used it always in my bag, and it helps me keep things organized. Also, it is a perfect project for leftover yarns. Do not pass this project. You can do this in one day. It is very simple, very quick to make, and with some leftover yarn, you can also turn it into a beautiful gift for a friend of yours. So yeah, there are so many ideas that you can do with this project. And the next one is actually this very little small purse that I did again with some leftover yarns, and this is perfect for not taking your big bag with you, but if you are just running and you just want to have on your hands your telephone and your credit card and maybe some small money, it's just perfect for that kind of occasion. And yeah, I have been using it especially when I go and pick up my son from school, because I need to carry my iPhone and I need to carry some little money, some change in case I want to go to the supermarket, and also if I carry my keys with me. So this is perfect, and I don't need to carry a huge handbag with me. So this was another project that I crocheted with a lot of fun. It was really fun to make, and I really hope that you enjoyed it too. So the next project that I want to show you is this Bottega Veneta clutch that I have been doing it, and it was very fun project to do, but it was also very quick and fast to do. Here it is. I have been turned it in another inside out. You can use it like this, but at the project that I did, I had this out like this, which will make the bag a little bit more boxy, I think. I really love this clutch. It's very easy to use. I just put it like this when I go out, and it carries, I carry with me a lot of essential stuff that I need when I go out, and the color, it's perfect. I love the purple. I needed a purple clutch. So this was another project of mine that I did also a tutorial for you guys. So you can find the tutorial again in my channel, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. It was made from just one little square. You just make a square, and then you can come up with this Bottega Veneta replication of Bottega Veneta clutch. Let me show you now the last but not least project. And this project, probably you have seen it just recently in my channel, the tutorial, and I am very proud to have made it into this handbag, because I saw this handbag on Instagram, and I saw the finished bag, and it was made from so many granny squares, but I couldn't find the pattern anywhere. So I thought, let me make the pattern myself. So I tried to replicate the pattern of that granny square as much as I could, and it turned out very pretty. So let me show you the latest project that I did, and this was at the end of June. And of course, the tutorial for you, has come in the beginning of July, because I needed time to edit, but here it is. This is perfection, my friends. I think this handbag has so many details. It is perfect. I will tell you that this handbag is not something that you can just take and crochet for like easy to do. I mean, it is easy because you can just sit and you repeat those granny squares. It's just that it will take time. It takes time to follow the pattern for the granny square, and you are going to need 14 of these granny squares, and you're gonna have to block them, and the blocking was really very important for this handbag. And you can also line it like I did, also, but also not. And anyway, it will take some time to perfect this bag, but believe me, the results are just amazing. I can't believe that this bag turned out really so pretty, and you can see that there are so many details here, and you can notice that. You can notice when you use this handbag, you can see that people will see the bag and will notice the bag, will notice the details on the bag. So yeah, if you are looking for a very special project, I will totally recommend this project for you. This handbag is just amazing. And with this handbag, my darlings, came the end of this video. So these are all the items, project that I have been crocheted for the beginning of this year. Yeah, so the first 6 months of this year are done. So in these 6 months, I achieved this 11 projects. I still have something on my hands that I'm still working on them, but I haven't finished yet. So anyway, I really hope that you enjoyed this fun and fast video, and just letting you know what actually I have crocheted or knitted this last 6 months. And yeah, I will see you on my next one. Bye!